Black River Falls. It's been a while since we've been here. A couple of the trees right behind the camera are already turning red. They're maples. Turning a little bit early here, but we're what, September 1st? Yep, September 1st. There's a very old bridge that goes over to the island. And when I first came here, that bridge was old, and I'm kind of amazed it's still here. It's been a couple of years since we've been here. But the falls is still a really nice falls. I actually was able to drive the bug to it today. I found a different road that was a lot nicer. The other little side road that goes to it has a mud puddle in it always. And since we had rain last night, I guarantee you it's full. So I'm glad. I was worried that I wouldn't make it, but found a different road, so we were good. Well, we'll try our hand at fishing. There's another chub, look at that, little guppy, woo! I'm catching minnows here, catching absolute minnows. And they're swallowing them. I'm gonna bite you! Chompy, chompy! Here you go, we'll put them back. Minnow! Well, at least it's something. Haven't caught anything this year except guppies. All right, trying another spot. Obviously, right above the waterfall is, right below the waterfall is Baby Chub Central.